Boundaries aren't about building walls. They're about sustainable caring. If you've ever felt guilty for saying no, drained from overgiving, or caught between your own needs and other people's expectations, I want you to hear this gently. Nothing is wrong with you. This Friday, January 23rd, tomorrow, if you're watching this when I post it, from 10 to 11 a.m. U.S. Central Chicago time, I'm hosting a live workshop on boundaries through an internal family systems lens. We're going to explore why boundaries feel so hard. And here's the key. It's not a character flaw. It's often about protective parts that learned a long time ago that saying yes kept connection, peace, or safety. In this workshop, we'll look at the parts that push you to overgive, the strategies that keep you stretched too thin, and how to access self-energy when setting limits feels almost impossible. And this is practical, compassionate work, no jargon, no judgment, just real tools for sustainable caring. The workshop is free for Faithfully Growing community members. And for those outside the community, the cost is $25. If you're not part of the community yet, you can join the waitlist at faithfullygrowing.com. Doors are going to open again in March, and would love for some of you to join me there. And it's just $9 a month if you pay yearly for that membership. If you plan to attend, just email me at tim@faithfullygrowing.com to let me know that you're coming, and I'll get you a Zoom link. And I'd really love to be with you in this, learning how to care for others and yourself at the same time. So hope to see you there.